welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Zara Black. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Dolce&gabbana bucket bag. This is my favorite bag. I was looking for it the other day thinking I haven't worn my favorite bag in forever, and I thought I don't even have a YouTube video about it, so I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna show you my favorite bag. So it's this Dolce&gabbana bucket bag. I think I've had it for about 3 years or so. I got it in this awesome black. Oh, just give it a thumbs up if you are liking this bag already. I'll just give you a little close up so you can appreciate that leather. It is absolutely sensational. It is gorgeous. When I saw this bag, I just had to get it. There was just no two ways about it. I love structured bags. I love unique bags. Something with a bit of a story, something with a bit of, you know, a conversation starter. And this definitely does that, okay? The only thing that I didn't like about this bag that would have made me not buy it was that Dolce & Gabbana have recently started updating their stuff with a lot of DG logos everywhere. They're too big. I really don't like them. I prefer the original Dolce & Gabbana little plaque that they used to do. So that was going to deter me from buying this. Nevertheless, I thought it kind of gives, if you know, you know. I don't think anyone has ever come up to me and known that this was a Dolce & Gabbana, but this is slightly off-putting, but it wasn't off-putting enough to make me not buy the bag, okay? It comes with detachable straps, okay, which is really good because you have these here with the metal, so it's not going to scratch the bag, because especially with these lambskin bags, calfskin bags, you normally have to babysit them a bit so that obviously they don't get scratched. So that metal hitting off that other metal is really nice cushion, so it just prevents the bag from getting scratched a little bit. So obviously if you want a cute little outfit, you can take the strap off, okay? You can take your little pictures, you can hold it, you know, in a cute and demure way if that's what you want to do, okay? It's definitely the type of bag for that as well. You can definitely do that, okay? One thing I love about the strap is it's casual, but then it's kind of dressy at the same time, as obviously it's half leather, but it's also got a little bit of gold hardware as well, just to add a bit of luxury to there, you know, not too casual, not too luxury, okay? I do probably use this bag day to night as well. I have worn it out. I do wear it. I probably wear it more day than anything, if I'm being honest. But it could definitely go for a night bag as well because of the structure. So you can just hook those right back on there. So easy. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. Once again, give it a thumbs up if you're liking this so far. As I did mention before, it is lambskin leather, so it's very delicate. I do find myself trying to babysit. Obviously, I've had it for about 3 years, and as you can see, there is a bit of scratching going on there, a little bit of scratching. I think I still have the sticker on, the DG sticker. I think I still have that on. I always try and leave my stickers on for as long as possible on all my bags. People think I'm crazy, but I don't care, okay? Preservation, baby. Preservation first. As you can see, I've still got a sticker on one of the sides as well with this one, and it's fallen off on that one, but it's just such a gorgeous bag. I'm going to open it up for you now so you can see how it is. It's got 2 zippers here, so you can open it on both sides just like that. So it's kind of like a cosmetic bag almost. So if I just open it up just like that, this bag definitely does have enough space for a iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I absolutely love. Not that I put my phone in my bag that much, but it does help to know that if you just wanted to walk freely without your phone, that it does fit in here. So that was really, really important. And I've got an OtterBox phone case as well, so that definitely helps that it can fit quite a tall phone in there. So as you can see, it's just hollow inside. No compartments, no nothing. Of course, at the back, you can see it says DG Girls. I think here in the back, somewhere. I think it's in the front, yeah. Here in the front, you can see it says DG Girls. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know if you can see that. But I'll just show you what fits. I've got my Coach purse here. I always take my Coach purse in all my little tiny bags. Yeah. So what you can see here is me putting that in there. As you can see, there's so much space around. You have enough space for a full-size lipstick or lip gloss, you know, a mirror, whatever you will, to be honest, a bit of makeup, a cosmetic case. You can fit quite a lot in there, to be honest with you, and still just look very cute. Obviously, if you're out in the middle of, you know, a restaurant or something like that, it can get a bit annoying, or you're out shopping, it can get a bit annoying with the double zippers having to unzip it both ways and stuff like that. So that's the only annoying side of this bag. But honey, you need to forgive what you need to forgive, because this bag is cute as hell and you know it. Okay, so I'm 5'6", so I'll just show you. I've got it on the last strap. It could probably be a bit tighter, to be honest. I'll probably adjust it. It's got quite a few adjustments here, to be very honest with you. So I'm just going to bring it up a bit, because that doesn't sound about right. I don't even know why it's on that setting. As I said, I don't wear this bag all the time. It is my favorite bag because it's like the most unique bag, or one of the most unique bags that I have in my closet. So I've got this on the third strap, and I'm 5'6". So if I just put that on for you, you can see the drop on that, which I think is absolutely perfect for me, just at the waist. Okay, so I can just get in, get out if I need to. Take my card holder or take my purse out. I can easily do that quite easily, just like that. I wouldn't say that it's got enough space for like full-size sunglasses or anything like that. You could probably get your sunglasses in there, but definitely not with the case. Absolutely not. Okay, you just want to take what you need with this bag, but it is so cute. Okay, as I said, it's one of my favorites. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about this bag, do not be afraid to leave it in the comments section down below. Obviously, I said I did get this bag a few years ago, so I don't know if it's possible to buy them anymore. All in all, it's a beautiful bag. I think Dolce & Gabbana have quite a reasonable price anyway, and I definitely got this before all of the crazy price rises. I absolutely love this bag. So if you've liked this video, make sure you like it, okay? Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, where you might see other videos that might interest you about bags. You might see other bags that you might be interested in. Also, go ahead on over to my Instagram, where you might see me in a couple of outfits with this bag as well. If you're interested in fashion and those kind of things, leave a comment down below. Also, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, concerned about this bag, do not be afraid to keep it in the comments down below. I think I might actually wear this bag today. It's not looking bad on this outfit, is it? So I might just stop this video and go out for a bit of shopping wearing this bag. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.